Janan! Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning pa po. It's 11:31 in the morning dito po sa Dubai. Kaya ito guys, medyo chill ng konti. Kaya I'm now open guys to any of your inquiries. Anything about Dubai, visas, or kahit ano lang maisip nyo. Okay, so tomorrow guys, especially sa mga students ng Pinoy group, we will be there sa Dubai American College campus for the Sport Fest. Kaya magkita-kita tayo dyan. And tomorrow Friday din, maraming ongoing contest di ba? Mga singing contest, especially sa Vegas, Dubai. Kaya I might be there ng hapon until gabi na. Kaya good morning po. Hello to my 23 live viewers kagad. Guys, ito pala no, just a little update po from MPQ Tourism. A2A service is now being offered po dito sa MPQ Tourism. Kaya if you wanted guys yung medyo nagmamadali ka, ino-offer na po ng MPQ Tourism. Kaya just let us know, call MPQ Tourism Office 04-344-1733 para sa Satwa branch, or you can call 04-355-8488 para naman sa Bordo Bay branch. Kaya hello sa mga viewers, hello to Melvin Veras, to Rola de los Reyes, and also to Nina Villarreal. Hello! Hello sa inyong lahat. Good morning! And yun lang. Kumusta na kayo lahat, guys? Ito guys, abangan nyo po, no? It's been confirmed. Okay, that yung radio program na meron pa ako is malapit na po. I'm expecting it by next week. I can start doing that online. So, just to give you a little information po with that, may kasama pong live, connected po siya with my Facebook page live streaming, or we're gonna use the Kuruti Facebook page. So, just to inform you guys, for you to join yung mga online contest namin with that Kuruti Radio, you need to be a member po ng Kuruti for you to join and to win some special prizes coming from Kuruti, UAE of course. And ang alam ko po, since this is an internet radio, so lahat po ay maaari pong makapakinig sa atin online, and all of my viewers, my followers and friends in Facebook, masusundan po din po ito. Okay, so hello kay Tita Abet from Mendez, Cavite. Hi Tita, kumusta po dyan? To Jove Ani Caliora, to Ele Cara Zorcaled. Pabati naman po, me happy Valentine's at sa aking mahal na si Joel C. And sabi ni Maribel Aguilar Malyare, hi to all my friends there. Good morning. I'm in the Philippines right now. I'm watching you. Ayan guys, sa lahat po ng mga kababayan natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Ayan, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And guys, watch out po. Actually, I am not allowed to share kasi yung video pala in all of my social media pages. But abangan nyo guys, one of my vlog featuring the life of Filipinos here in UAE, especially sa mga nag-send sa akin ng mga videos nila. Yon, abangan nyo po yun. It will be out soon sa website po mismo ng Philippine Information Agency, where yung video concept is parang a day in the life of an OFW, and then sharing yung buhay namin dito from the time yung morning pagpasok ko sa work until sa nightlife. Kaya naka-feature po dyan of course some of my friends, of course si Reggie Sandoval, a stand-up comedian and performer from Tambayan sa Kanto. Of course, we have Riza Simpson of Simpal Boutique. Yan. She's the owner of Simpal Boutique, where nagbibenta po sila ng mga Philippine products, mga bags, abaka bags, mga barong, and mga Pilipiniana. And of course, my friends, my vlogger friends, sina Marley Tawa, yan, si Butter and Corn, and of course, Karen Argusino from Malain. And then, Madel, ayan, the Visayan Diva is also featured dyan. And who else? Of course, Mr. Tom Alvarado, we also talk about his paintings at yung puso niya as a Filipino artist. At ayun, dito sa work ko, at pagkain namin sa Pomidor and all. Kaya masaya yon. Okay, and sabi po ni Rola de los Reyes, hope to see you in person. Yeah, if nasa Dubai ka lang, madali lang ako hanapin dito. Just visit me in MPQ Tourism Office in Satwa. Nandito lang ako every weekdays. Except Fridays. Fridays nasa mga events ako. And sabi ni Tita Abet, sabi niya, naulan dito now. Wow! Alam niyo, nakakamiss yan guys, no? Yung ulan. Dito po kasi sa Middle East, umuulan lang kapag nag-change weather na. Pero di ba ngayon, parang hindi ko naramdaman masyado ang winter sa Dubai. Katulad dati na sobrang lamig talaga. Okay, sabi po ni Nina Villarreal, pag-greet po ako at mga anak ko, Nicole, Christian at ang apo ko, Baste, pati na asawa ko si Romel. And also, sabi ni Diwani Bayunon, advance, happy Valentine's everyone! Ayoko pag-usapan yan. And also, anyway guys, of course, I would like to greet advance happy Valentine's Day to everyone, to all people in the world that knows how to love. Kasi di ba sabi nga nila, Valentine's Day doesn't always mean lang naman na you are in a relationship, di ba? You can also love yourself, love your sisters, brothers, your siblings, your work, your parents, in all way that you can express your love, guys. It's a love month. So, like ako, I love my job. I love my career. So I have to focus, you have to give time on, like appreciating na you are at least marunong kang magmahal. Tama? And also, hello to, sabi naman ni Ross De Leon, good morning to all my friends there in Dubai, my friends working for Jamba Juice, UAE. Pabati Sir Jun, salamat po. And hello to my designer, model, matalino, GM Tugunon, who's watching us right now. Ayan, ito pala guys, I would like to say in advance, thank you so much of course to Mr. Eric Taliedo. He's the one going to create my suit for the Star Ball na atinan ko on February 23 sa Abu Dhabi. And advance, happy birthday to Dan Lester Dabon. Ayan, see you soon in Abu Dhabi. And also on February 23, yung Madel Loco Loca event, guys. Anong oras ba magbubukas yun? That will be on February 24 sa Maharlika Cafe. Yeah, I have to give you the complete details. Makikita niyo po ako dyan, guys. Kaya sa lahat ng mga followers ko that would like to see me in person doing Buwais Dubai Live, ayan, nandyan po ako sa The Madel Loco Loca event, mini concert and comedy show, February 24 sa Maharlika Bar, President Hotel, dito po sa Dubai. So, sa mga commuters po, bababa kayo ng Jafilia, ADCB Metro Station. Ayun, doon po kayo bababa sa ADCB side. And then kakaliwa po kayo, hanapin nyo po ang President's Hotel. And pasok po kayo sa Maharlika. So, sa lahat po ng mga followers ko na gusto po ako makita in person, be there guys on that event. Mag-o-open po yata sila ng, anong oras to? Hindi na mention ni Madel. But I think this will start from 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. Kaya makita-kita tayo lahat guys. And also, sabi ni GM, singles celebrates Valentine's Day in a way of treating themselves. Loving ourselves is the only way to give love to others. Let's spread the love for this month. Help distressed OFWs. Tama yun. Diba? The best love you can offer, guys, is to love someone you don't know. Tama ba? And, ano pa ba? Malapit na po guys ang grand opening po ng MPQ Tourism Satwa. Kaya sa lahat po ng mga kababayan po natin na gusto po guys na mag-avail ng inner services from us, just visit our office or call us in our number, avail inner services for you guys to get a chance to win tickets po going to Armenia or Philippines. Kaya ito guys, may mga ka-roommate kayo saan, kaibigan, kapamilya na gusto nyo papuntahin ng Dubai or pag-exitin sa Armenia or Oman, or gusto lang mag-tour anywhere in the world, call us today and join us guys sa raffle promo namin. Okay? And Cheche Hamilarin, hello. Isabel Suluge. Hi sir, good morning po. And also kay, sabi yan, nakabuan na naman ng mga nguso, puso pala. Do you have guys a very special memory of Valentine's Day celebration? Ako yata wala. Kawawa naman ako, no? Ang laki ng tubig ko. Mm. Okay, so ngayon po, actually, marami akong meetings with some brands na gusto magpa-endorse. Kaya, abangan nyo po yun guys. You can see soon sa mga vlogs na meron ako, there will be some official mga advertisements involved. This is my way of helping Filipino entrepreneurs or Filipino brands na matulungan sila on social media. Kaya yun. So, abangan nyo po yan, okay? So, again guys, ulitin po natin for those who would like to get a to A service dito po sa MPQ. And guys, for 1 month package, okay, for as low as 1,399 dirhams lang. And also, for 3 months package naman, we have 1,999 dirhams. So, call us now at 043441733. Okay, ako mismo yung sasagot sa mga calls nyo. And I'll personally assist you guys on all of the travel documents na kakailanganin nyo. Okay? Or you can check out, guys, our Facebook page, MPQ Tourism. Para makita nyo po yung other services na meron kami. Ngayon pa lang, we would like to say thank you so much sa lahat na mga nag-inquire about Shenzhen Visa. Inquiries and application, ayon, in just 5 days, guys, after you pass yung proper profiling and scoring namin, ayon, so malaki po yung chance nyo na maka-avail kayo ng Shenzhen Visa. Okay, and hello kay Adako Sales. And sabi naman ni Iris Bersede, hi sir, good morning! Good morning guys sa inyong lahat. Kumusta na po ang buhay nyo dito sa abroad? And I would like to greet, of course, my friend all the way from the Philippines, the beautiful wife of Mr. Roy Vinson. Si Jenny Agtuto David Vinson is watching us this morning. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat dyan. Talaga naman, ang gaganda ng mga anak nito, mga talented, di ba? And also to Ryan, sabi niya, spending Valentine's Day with my children, Rain, Renz, and Rian. Dahil wala ang daddy namin na si Ryan Casabuena, na OFW sa Hales, Saudi Arabia. Thanks, Junie. I'm Michelle. Ayun. Actually, guys, no, yung mga OFW are very blessed in our generation right now because we are lucky to have this kind of technology available on hand. Di ba po? Skype is there. Facebook Live is there. Napakaraming ways how can we have that constant communication sa kanila. Kumbaga yung pagiging mamimiss mo sila is medyo mababa na yung level. Kasi unlike dati na by sulat lang and you have to wait for 1 month bago dumating. So ngayon, ura mismo, malalaman mo na at makukumusta mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Kaya, saya. Okay, and sabi naman ay GM Tugonon, most memorable Valentine's Day didn't happen yet. Itsasera ka. Well, malay mo, this year, it will going to happen na, di ba? Kaya good luck sa lahat ng mga lovers. And guys, for those who are here in Dubai, I think napakaraming mga perfect place for a perfect date, di ba? Some restaurants are actually offering, guys, yung mga early booking of your Valentine's dinner date na talaga nagsiset up sila ng restaurant nila with love song and colorful ambience and perfect na mga meal, good for two. Diba? Alam ko kasi, I know that Dagat-Dagatan restaurant is also going to do that. And I believe Little Manila is also going to do that because they've been doing that for so many times na, or once pa lang. Yeah, nagawa nila yan last year na. So I believe this year, gagawin din nila yan. Or you can check out guys online, yung mga restaurants offering yung mga Valentine's Day dinner. Masaya yon, di ba? And also, sabi po ni, Charot, sabi niya, friend kindly mention, do MPQ have a package for this coming Valentine's Day? Yes, meron po. Mayroon kaming promotion for Valentine's. Ayan, kayong dalawa lang ang sasakay sa eroplano. Pero you have to pay for the whole seats ng eroplano. So, bibigyan na lang namin kayo ng konting discount. Joke lang. Imagine, ano? Doon malalaman, guys, if your partner is financially stable. Okay? Maganda bang tip yun, GM? Michael, di ba kulangan? Hello. Sabi po ni Ryan sa amin po ng asawa ko, every day is Valentine's Day. Sa dami ng means of communication, wala ka ng excuse para masabi mo kung gaano mo siya kamahal. You know what guys, I will share you one story of an OFW dito sa Dubai. Siguro hindi ko na lang i-mention ng name. For sure, if they're watching it, alam nilang sila to. I known one friend na OFW dito sa Dubai, na you know what guys, yung Skype nila mag-asawa is always on. O na even though natutulog si lalaki o si babae, naka-on lang yung Skype nila, especially pag sa bahay, kahit nasa work, yung girl naman, if she's really so busy, of course, walang Skype. But if she's just on the table, since she's a unit manager yata or managing operation something, yung Skype niya is just there. Naka-on lang siya. So, di ba parang, kung that's how you really value yung relasyon nyo na, o nga naman, if it's possible, bakit hindi? Di ba? Kaya yon, so, nakakatuwa lang to na talagang they really value yung sila as together dito sa mundo. Kaya lagi naka-on ang kanilang mga Skype. Ayan, so, ano ba? May mga nababasa pa akong messages na hindi ko nakikita. Okay guys, so I'm on standby guys. Anyone to those who would like to inquire online, nandito lang po ako. You can ask me anything guys, okay? Sabi ni GM Tugunon, Echos, eroplano talaga. Baka itulak pa ako, mahal eh. Happy Valentine's po sa lahat ng mga kababayan sa ating bayan from Albayan Water Company. Makabayan para sa bayani ng bayan. Pak! Ba't ganun yung company mo? Bow. Ganun. Tangkilikin ang sariling wika. O nga, nakakatawa lang yung Albayan Water Company. Actually, Jim, I would like to ask, is Albayan is owned by Filipino? Kasi di ba kung nagkataon lang, di ba kasi Albayan para sa mga para mas sa mga kabayan. Yeah, of course, kilala ang Albayan, di ba? Anong ibig sabihin nun? Okay. So again guys, I'm on standby before we go for a lunch. Kaya if you have inquiry guys online, just don't be shy. Write a question in the comment box below. I'm here guys to answer you directly. Yung mga problema kasi kanina umaga, yung mga nakakausap ako inquiring for how many days daw yung visa application. So FYI po sa lahat, the normal is actually 2 to 3 working days. So, ang nangyayari po dyan, maaari pong lumabas yan in just 24 hours. Okay? Pero maaari din siyang lumabas ng second day. Yung third day po, the reason why, like sa MPQ kasi, what we're doing, as soon as lumabas talaga yon, right away, we have to forward it to you and let you know that your visa has been approved. Pero ang problema minsan yung mga delay is because kunyari gabi na siya or hapon na siya lumabas. So it will fall on the next day. So ganun po ang mangyayari. Okay? And now since we have the A2A service available, kaya guys sa lahat po ng mga yung tipong sino ba yung mga kumukuha ng mga A2A? Sila yung mga tao na because they have work na, they are working or the company are not allowing them to like mag-absent ng maraming araw. So, nag-A2A na lang sila. Okay? O yung tipong may pamilya ka dito and it's hassle for you to stay, lalo na yung ayaw nila ng Oman, then A2A is the best solution for you guys. So, with that, again, ulitin ko lang po, yung airport-to-airport service, visa change service ng MPQ for 1 month package is 1,399. And for 3 months naman is just 1,999. So, call us now guys, 04-344-1733. Hello to Ray Cesar Nascensino. Kumusta na, my friend? Yan, sana magkita tayo sa Pilipinas sa sunod, ano? And also to Mariam de Mapilis Bonilla. Good morning sa inyong lahat, guys. Now, 11:51 in the morning. So ito, I will just maybe reply some messages online. Sir, yung traveler po, original visa certificate or pwede po bang galing sa email tapos ipiprint lang? Okay, so guys, sa lahat po ng mga kabayan natin nag-i-inquire, ano po yung requirements if you guys wanted to bring your kapamilya dito sa Dubai? So, number one po is, of course, number one for the traveler, ito po yung kamag-anak niya sa Pilipinas, ito po yung requirement na kailangan niyang i-prepare. Number one is passport copy niya, and of course, yung proof of relationship niya doon sa sponsor. So, ibig sabihin, birth certificate, or example, proof of relationship kasi is, ano ba ang relasyon mo doon sa sponsor mo? If kapatid, birth certificate is okay. Kapag asawa mo, of course, your marriage contract and your birth certificate. Yun lang po ang kailangan i-prepare ng traveler from the Philippines. Pero kailangan nilang kumuha ng mga NSO copy ng mga birth certificate o ng marriage certificates na yon. And for the sponsor naman po dito sa UAE, these are the requirements that you need to prepare. Number one, of course, is your passport copy. Please, guys, submit a colored copy, a clear copy. Second, of course, is your visa page. Third is your OWA or OEC copy. And, of course, your salary certificate. Okay? And, of course, a proof of relationship doon sa traveler. So, same thing po, kapag kapatid mo yan, kailangan meron kang birth certificate. Sa birth certificate po kasi, birth certificate ng kapatid mo, makikita po ng Philippine Immigration natin na you have the same parents. So, ibig sabihin, kapatid mo siya. So, who are those who are qualified, guys, to be your sponsor? Kailangan po immediate family. When you say immediate family, dapat po is magulang mo siya, kapatid mo siya, anak mo siya, asawa mo, pamangkin, first cousin, or yung mga sister-in-law and brother-in-law. Apo is of course included. So yun po yung mga qualified sponsor na maaari pong magpadala ng kanilang kapamilya dito po sa Dubai. So next question, guys, is paano kuya kaka-hire ko lang sa work? Pag ganun kuya, guys, pag wala pa po kayong residence visa, you are not allowed to sponsor anyone dito pa kasi you are not yet a resident of UAE. Okay? And mabuti kuya, ikaw, kumusta? Sabi po ni Ray. And ayos naman. For more info on new rules in UAE, please check www.mol.gov.ae. May live chat po doon. Thank you, GM, for the information. And guys, mas maganda po minsan, no, if you have, actually guys, high-tech na po ang henerasyon natin. Every question in mind, just ask Google. Okay? Nandyan na po lahat. So at least you will get the basic information or answer sa mga questions nyo. Pero kasi alam ko, kilala ko yung mga Pilipino eh. We always ask for an opinion from our kilalang tao talaga. Pero at least, di ba, na prior asking your friends, may konting idea ka na. And by asking to your friends, parang it is just a confirmation na whatever info na nakuha mo online is true. Okay, kasi minsan guys, we have to accept the fact na may mga fake informations din naman kasi online. Kaya tip ko po sa lahat, if you're asking something, go to the website, official website of whatever yung pagtatanungan mo. So for example, ito nga, sabi ni GM, you can visit yung official website ng Dubai government. Okay, if you're asking about Philippines documents naman, you can go through Philippine websites, Philippine government websites. Okay, and sabi po ni Romuel Manibo, may problema nga ba ngayon sa ikama? Romuel, ikama is I think for Saudi, and unfortunately, wala pa akong idea about that. And hello kay Vin Quario. Hi Lakay, kamusta? Kailangan ko magtubig. Nagwa-water therapy ako, guys. And guys, para pala sa lahat ng mga gusto pong matutong mag-vlog, abangan nyo po yan. I will make an announcement soon. Kasi Angat Pinoy, or Pinoy Group, Pinoy Group is already invited me to be one of the coach. Kaya yon, so especially guys I recommend for you to join my class. Dapat po you have skills on video editing. So Pinoy Group is also offering that subject. Kaya you can search guys, Pinoy Group MTA sa Facebook to check out po yung courses na ino-offer nila. So, join po kayo sa, let's say, cinematography basic or video editing course nila. And then after that, pwede na kayong sumali sa course na ino-offer ko. Okay, sabi po ni Mars Puhino, ako kuya, wala akong kamag-anak dyan, pero gusto ko pumunta dyan for work. Paano po yan? Okay, that's a complicated question. Pero I'll try to give you an answer. Ha? Teka lang. Okay. Okay guys, so pag wala po kayong kamag-anak dito sa Dubai, how can you, number one, if you're planning to come here as a tourist. Guys, if you are a qualified, yung profile mo is qualified for a tourist, definitely guys, you can come here in Dubai. Kasi diba, I have one client, she's actually a registered nurse in the Philippines, working as a nurse. Pumunta siya dito without any affidavit. Because, meron po siyang employment certificate with her and leave certificate from her company na he's going to visit Dubai for 15 days or for 1 month and a half. Ganon, kasi may mga leave kasi tayo, di ba? So, yun. Wala namang problema. Okay. Pero how can you tell if your profile is qualified to travel as a tourist or not? So, number one po, of course, kailangan meron kang work. Pag sinabi po nating work, is yung above average. Okay, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga work na, sorry, but kailangan medyo professional. Oo, actually medyo mahirap i-explain to, no? How can you tell kung yung trabaho? Kasi, kunyari, example, yung mga mabababang klaseng trabaho sa Pilipinas, hindi po talaga po pwede. Or shall we say, siguro, example kasi ng mga qualified na positions is, kunyari, mga HR, mga managers sa Philippines are allowed to travel, of course. Nasa HR department. Mga maybe you're earning like 200,000 pataas, yung mga tipong ganun. Or let's say your company can allow you to... Teka lang, actually, mahirap sagutin yung tanong na yan eh. Pero for as long as you're a professional, guys, in the Philippines, definitely, you can travel to Dubai or UAE as a tourist. Basta hingi ka lang ng... Ano to? Basta hingi ka lang ng, of course, ng employment certificate and leave certificate from your company. Okay, what else? Second, kung wala kang kamag-anak dito, my suggestion to everyone guys is to look for an employment agency in the Philippines and apply a job. Kasi po, mahirap po kasi yung makipagsapalaran ka. Okay, napupunta ka dito nang hindi ka, kumbaga yung profile mo is not qualified as a tourist. Kasi po, not unless you are willing to face the risk. Okay? Kasi ang totoo po niyan, there are also some who are medyo hindi naman gano'ng kaganda ang profile, pero nakarating naman sila sa Dubai. So, ako nga lang, hindi ko pinapayo yon. If you're ready, if you're willing to face the risk, then go ahead. Walang problema. Malay mo, makalusot ka, di ba? Yon, and I want to enroll. I was a Phil Institute student. There was no clear info sa Facebook page ng Institute na na-mentioned. Also, friend to those who wants to come to Dubai, who are still in the Philippines, visit www.jobsforyou.ae or www.dubizzle.com or other hunting websites you can submit CV. Okay. Sabi naman ni MJ Lim, Sir, open po for office assistant? What do you mean? Hindi ko naintindihan yun. Hello kay Carlo Fortes Garde. Sabi, hi sir, good morning. Good morning. Okay, ang dami ko ng messages. And sabi po ni Kyle Marian Rementilla, sir, ask ko lang po kasi visa ko is 2015, November po. Di ko po natapos yung contract ko. Sa pasok pa din po ba ako sa ban? Okay guys, labor ban is 6 months. So Kyle, if that was 2015, now is already 2017, I believe, wala na. Okay, so you are free. You can start applying job na. Sir, yung sa travel po, original copy ng birth certificate or pwede po yung galing sa email? Okay. I have some questions online that I need to reply later. I think they are not watching us, guys. Kaya I just go back to them later. Okay, sabi po ni Ray Cesar Nasancieno, mahirap mag-risk kapag tourist visa na walang kamag-anak sa UAE. Kagaya sa akin na offload ako. Yes, alam ko po ang storya ni Ray. Second cousin niya yung sponsor niya and medyo complicated. Actually guys, sa totoo lang, parang ano dyan sa Philippine immigration natin, minsan magulo, okay? Pero yun nga, kung risk taker ka naman, go ahead. Okay, pero kung yung pera mo po ay pinangutang mo lang and all, wag, okay? I'm still suggesting to all of my kabayans sa Pilipinas na go through the normal process. Kasi guys, iba pa rin po kasi yung nag-undergo ka ng normal processes because of course you're going to apply to an employment agency, mag-undergo ka ng ano tawag nga doon, yung orientation? Bago ka pumunta ng Dubai, ng abroad? Pidus! Yun, magpipidus po kayo for you to get a little information of the country you're going to travel to. Tama ba English ko? Okay. So parang sa Pidus po kasi is, tuturuan kayo ng konting information about the culture, about sa salary dito, mga ganong bagay. So you will be more prepared to face the new life working abroad. If the company terminated the contract, well, tika lang. May question kasi siya. Okay, sabi ni Jihan Zhao, ano po ba ang profession na pwede ma-labor ban? Okay, ganito yun guys, sa mga labor ban, if you are professional, okay, ibig sabihin, you're a doctor, engineer, nurse, yung mga tipong ganon, hindi. I think it's not about the profession. Ang alam ko po kasi, ang nali-labor ban is yung mga taong, yung salary is below, is it 5,000 or 7,000? Kasi sa mga viewers ko, if you are aware of the salary, kasi ang alam ko, if you are going to resign from your company, okay, na let's say, na LLC company, hindi po free zone. Okay, we're talking here yung LLC company. Kapag nag-resign ka o if you are terminated, alright? Pero you're a professional engineer ka, I think that's not an issue. Walang labor ban doon. Pero if you're transferring to a company offering you a salary na 7,000 pataas, I think nalilift yung ban. Yung labor ban nawawala. Yan yung alam ko. Okay? And what if the company terminated the contract but you still want to continue with your work? How is that? Well, Jihan, I think the answer there is wala kang magagawa. Because the company doesn't like you anymore. Yun yung problema. Okay? Pero the problem is, of course, the issue is, iti-terminate kanila. For sure, they have a valid reason, ilalagay dun sa termination mo, why they're going to terminate you. Okay? If you think na unjust ang binigay sa yung termination letter, then you can go to sa labor para mag-complain. Okay? And sabi po if the company terminated the contract, will we still be in labor ban? Yes. Kasi still, hindi pa rin kasi natapos yung kontrata mo. Yun yung problema. Okay? Yun actually yung malaking problema. But then, as far as I know, there are some other company na ina-absuelto nila yung labor ban mo. Although hindi ako ganun ka-knowledgeable dyan. Because I have a friend, happens to be a parang marketing manager of one company dito sa Dubai. More than 1 year lang siya. Umalis siya sa company. Or sila, actually there are some staff na nag-resign or tinanggal sila. Pero wala silang labor ban. So ibig sabihin, the company helped them para ma-lift yung labor ban na yun. Siguro may binayaran sila or something. Kasi alam ko parang may babayaran kayata na amount, a big amount, para ma-lift yung labor ban. Kasi naalala ko dati, I don't know guys if this is still updated pero as far as I know, ito yung alam ko kasi, na kapag nag-resign ka, so magkaka-labor ban ka. And then there are some other company that are going to offer you yung salary na below, doon sa nabanggit natin kanina, is that company that going to hire you will pay for the labor ban para matanggal. Okay? So may mga ganong company kasi na willing to pay. So minsan yung mga options are, is either the company itself is magbabayad nun sa'yo dahil alam nilang magaling ka and all, so sila mag-shoulder. Pero there are some companies naman na ibabawas sa salary mo. Or, maaring hati kayo. Na 50% of that labor ban fee or charge, half yung company, half sa'yo. May mga ganun. Okay? But I don't know the exact amount, guys. And FYI sa lahat, sabi ni GM, na may housemaid visa at nag-exit tapos babalik with tourist visa, di po kayo mabibigyan ng tourist visa. Please do avoid this. That's true, guys, okay? Mahirap po talaga. You have to get a job in the Philippines under employment visa para babalik kayo naka-employment visa dito. And also, sabi naman ni Jehan, PDOS is the orientation you attend prior leaving the Philippines. That's true. And housemaid visa is excluded for any labor ban. Yes po. Because guys, housemaid visa is not a labor visa. Under po sila sa immigration visa. So, actually guys, no, sa mga housemaids, napakahirap sa kanila umuwi sa Pilipinas. Dahil napakahaba ng proseso for them para magbakasyon. Kasi since nagtatrabaho na ako sa travel agency, dito ko nakita na, iba pala, iba yung visa para sa mga housemaids. But then good news, di ba po, kumakalat po sa Filipino Times, newspaper na soon, lilipat na po ang housemaid visa under na po sa labor. But then we have to wait for the final announcement kung kailan po yan magiging effective. Okay? So ngayon mabibigyan na ng, kumbaga lahat ng karapatan, labor right ng isang housemaid, mabibigyan na ng pansin ngayon. Okay, sabi ni GM is 5,000 above salary can't leave. Okay, pag 5,000 salary lang daw pala, sabi ni GM is pwede nang ma-leave yung labor ban and much higher visa position. Yun. So, kasi guys dito, no, as far as I know, a certain salary, kailangan mag-i-equal yun. A certain position dapat mag-equal yun sa salary. So, hindi naman po pwede na ang position mo is mababa ang salary mo sobrang laki. Para naman nangyari. Okay, I'll just get this call. Hello, good afternoon. Hi. I'm sorry? Malu is coming, sir, like maybe 30 minutes. Can you call back? Yeah, she's on her way going to the office. I'm sorry? Going to? Baco Tools? I'm sorry, sir, I don't understand that. Oh, okay. So can you just call back later because I don't understand if what's the topic all about. Okay. Okay, so we're back guys. I think we're going to have our lunch. Nabasa mo yung message ni Madam Malo? May free food tayo! Huwag na tayo bumili. Okay guys, and sabi naman ni Gian, I have already asked help from MOHRE. Wala pa rin. So ganun ba? Since December pa po ako, puro patapon ng money. SOS. Alright, and good luck Jehana, whatever man yan. Sana maging okay na yan. And sabi po ni Mars Puhino, Kuya, meron pa po ba i-suggest na employment agency na maganda? Thanks po, I am factory worker po kasi from Taiwan. Wanna try Dubai soon. Well, unfortunately guys, since I came to Dubai nang naka-visit visa, so wala po talaga akong alam na employment visa, employment agency I mean from the Philippines. Pero if you can search guys sa Facebook wall ko, I know I shared yung list ng mga employment agency na sinare din sa akin ng mga followers ko dati. Pero you have to scroll down sa ilalim-ilalim pa talaga. Okay? But I'll try to check and share that later kapag mahanap ko siya. And when I want to MORHE, grabe ang treatment sa amin. We are like animals. Hindi approachable ang mga tao doon. Hindi sila human really. Jihan, ano yung MOHRE? Di ba? Siya nga lang. Okay. Yung labor ban within probation period, 6 months, natanggal o umalis ka sa company, you're not subject for a labor ban. Only after probation period. Okay, yeah, that's true. Pero guys, ang probationary period kasi dito sa Dubai is iba-iba, depende sa company. Kaya nga po, if you are joining a new company guys, you have to make sure na talagang alam mo yung nakasulat sa kontrata mo para alam mo yung gagawin mo, okay? Kaya of course, kapag probationary period ka pa, hindi ka pa tawag nito, hindi pa pasok yung parang residence visa mo kasi. So you're not yet subject for a labor ban. Alright, thank you Jem for sharing that. And if you're at Taiwan, mas madali makapunta sa Dubai from there. Tama, to Mars Puhino, it's easier actually guys to travel to Dubai if you're not coming from the Philippines. Kaya unfortunately, masakit man tanggapin ang katotohanan, but it's easier for Filipino to travel in Dubai if you're coming from other countries. Okay, because all you need is just a ticket. And Delta Ver, I came here on employment visa. Ministry of Human Rights and Emeritisation. Iyon, kaya pala medyo hindi ko sa alam. Hi, okay. Oh, anyway guys, I think that's all for this morning. Ayun guys, sa lahat po ng mga hindi po nakahabol ng live natin, you can still guys write your comment in the comment box below and I'll be online the whole day trying to reply you guys with all of your questions. Kaya po, again, abangan niyo po ang Kuruti Radio, Voice of OFW radio, online radio station. Malapit na po yan. I'll be on the night shift. So it's either 10 p.m. or 10 to 12 p.m. Ayan, so mag-i-invite po ako ng mga friends dyan. Pag-uusapan po natin ang iba't ibang mga topic na alam pong makaka-relate po tayong mga OFW. Kaya ngayon pa lang, I would like to say thank you so much of course to Mr. Tariq, the CEO and owner of Kuruti. Kaya sa lahat po ng mga Kuruti members, malapit nyo na po ma-enjoy ang inyong mga Kuruti card. Kasi I will be helping you guys how you can use that, okay? And then also, yun nga po guys, yung event para kay Madel Luculuca, February 24, sa President Hotel sa Maharlika Bar. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan. I think 6 p.m. I think so. And ano pa bang meron ako? Wala yata ako show. And then ito guys, watch out for more brands na isusuportahan natin online. Okay? So that's all guys. And of course, advance Happy Valentine's again sa lahat. And of course guys, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan, okay? That anything guys that you need about visa, about traveling anywhere, I'm here guys to personally support and help you. Kung hindi man ako, we have a team dito sa MPQ Tourism para po tulungan kayo with your exit, with your travel, with your tour, and everything. Thank you guys and have a nice Thursday sa lahat and enjoy your weekend tomorrow. Sa lahat po ng mga estudyante again ng Pinoy Group MTA, see you tomorrow guys. Bye! God bless!